Healthy Lifestyle Crib presents 8 quick and easy methods to get rid of plaque. It is widely agreed that a beautiful grin is one of the most alluring physical traits a person can possess. Smoking cigarettes, drinking excessive amounts of coffee, and neglecting regular dental checkups are just a few things that can be detrimental to your oral health. Dental plaque is just one consequence of behaviors that seem harmless at first glance. If going to the dentist is one of your worst nightmares, this is the video for you. We've compiled a set of all-natural, low-effort solutions for tooth issues. If you find this interesting, please let us know by clicking the like button. Number 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is an all-natural exfoliant that is also an element in many different types of treatments. Specifically for stubborn tartar buildup on your teeth's enamel, baking soda is an ideal tool. Don't use too much because it can be harsh. Sodium bicarbonate, a fancier name for plain old baking soda, can also reduce the acidity of your mouth. There is a dramatic reduction in the population of dangerous microorganisms. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with a pinch of salt and simply dip your wet toothbrush into the mixture. After that, brush your teeth as usual. Don't forget to thoroughly rinse your mouth. One more way to make your teeth shine is to add enough hydrogen peroxide to 1 teaspoon of baking soda to get a homogeneous paste. Brush your gums and teeth with this paste 2 times a week. Mix the water with half a cup of baking soda, then add a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Put in the mixture 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin and lemon essential oil. Stir it together and brush your teeth with this concoction. After that, there's nothing else to do but watch your teeth become whiter, shinier, and healthier within minutes. Try to use this toothpaste 2 times every day. Number 2. Rosemary Essential Oil. This essential oil will act as a disinfectant, getting rid of the bacteria in your mouth. It stops foul breath while stopping cavities and plaque from forming. Take several drops of the essential oil and mix them with a tablespoon of water. Rinse your mouth with this liquid for 10 minutes, then spit it out. Don't swallow this mixture. Repeat the procedure 2 times a day. Number 3. Cloves. Ground cloves have been used for centuries to ease dental pain. On the other hand, it can kill out any bacteria that might be lurking in your mouth. Yes, those are the bacteria responsible for plaque. The benefits of the herbal mouth rinse, which contained clove and the oil of tea tree. It lowered the number of units that formed the microbial colonies, therefore, serving as an anti-plaque agent. You will need 1 teaspoon of powdered cloves, some olive oil. Prepare the mixture from the powdered cloves and the olive oil. Put it on your teeth and leave it for a couple of minutes. After that, just rinse it off with cool water. Repeat this procedure 2 times a day. You can also regularly chew some cloves. It will keep your oral health at the proper level and help to fight bad breath if the reason is the bacteria in the mouth. Number 4. Orange peel. Don't toss out the orange peel after you've finished eating the fruit. Simply rubbing it on your teeth is an effective approach to remove plaque and freshen your breath. Worry not, it won't cause orange teeth. The results will be much brightened by this treatment. In addition, it will aid in protecting the enamel from stains and harmful bacteria. Then, after a few minutes of scrubbing, you can simply wash it off with water. You can even leave with it on your teeth and remove it in the morning. If you've got the time and patience, you may also try mashing up some orange peel and applying it to the stained spots. Just let it sit for a while, and then wash it off. Number 5. Vitamin tooth mask. Plaque can be prevented by using a paste mask made from mashed up vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables. Put some paste on your teeth made from mashed tomatoes, strawberries, and oranges. Leave it for a few minutes, about 5 to 6, then rinse. The bacteria in your mouth will be killed and your breath will be freshened. If you have sensitive teeth, however, you should use caution with this procedure. It has the potential to be quite painful. Number 6. Vinegar solution. This may not be the most appetizing option, but it is safe and effective for cleaning teeth without inflicting any harm. White vinegar contains acetic acid as one of its main components. The acid stops plaque from sticking to teeth and stops enamel from demineralizing. Additionally, it acts as an antimicrobial. For plaque removal, vinegar far outperformed both glycerin and distilled water. So, what you need to save your teeth from the plaque? Number 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Number 2. 1 tablespoon of salt. Number 3 to 4 oz of water. Combine the ingredients, and use this mixture to rinse your mouth. Repeat it 1 or 2 times a day. Number 7. Sesame seeds. Tiny sesame seeds make for a great toothpaste additive and teeth cleaner. They will be very careful when removing plaque and tartar from the teeth, and will not do any harm. Impressed? Then, grab a fistful of sesame seeds and crunch on them for a while. Avoid putting them in your mouth despite your desire to savor the flavor. Then, while the seeds are still in your mouth, brush them away with a dry toothbrush. The teeth's surface will be gently scoured, eliminating stains without damaging the enamel. When your teeth have reached the level of whiteness you desire, rinse your mouth out with water. Number 8. Aloe vera and glycerin. The beneficial effects of aloe vera have been recognized for a very long time. However, word of its remarkable qualities quickly traveled to the field of dental hygiene. It works exceptionally well as a natural toothpaste. This plant is antibacterial, thus it will prevent plaque buildup on your teeth. Aloe vera's ability to eliminate bad breath. To prepare this toothpaste, you'll need several ingredients. 1 cup of water. Half a cup of baking soda. 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. 4 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. 1 teaspoon of lemon essential oil. Additional suggestions. Spicy food is good. It makes your saliva glands work harder, and saliva cleans your gums and teeth. Eat apples. Perform the task 1 hour after eating. This fruit is great for oral hygiene and can even help gum disease. Eat cheese. Cheese promotes the production of alkaline saliva, which in turn forms a protective barrier around the teeth and neutralizes the acid produced by plaque. Avoid sugary things and starch. These things are a favorite playground for oral bacteria. Eat figs. They stimulate the flow of saliva and strengthen the teeth. You could ask yourself, why should I bother with removing the plaque from my teeth? I'm not bothered by it at all. However, it's essential if you value your oral health. If you regularly remove plaque from your teeth, you can protect your teeth from decay. In particular, plaque and tartar should be avoided. Many people get them confused because they think they mean the same thing. Bacteria in plaque, however, build on teeth and create lactic acid, which demineralizes enamel. You can see tartar buildup on your teeth's enamel. It manifests as white or yellow spots. Their appearance is due to the accumulation of saliva, food debris, and other forms of filth on the teeth. The presence of tartar in the mouth facilitates the development of plaque. You see, tartar is a porous substance, and the plaque that forms around and inside the pores makes it an ideal habitat for this plaque. In the beginning, caries shows up, and if it isn't treated properly, a tooth can be lost. Additionally, gum illnesses such as chronic gingivitis can originate from plaque and tartar buildup. Dentists today also recognize the link between poor dental hygiene and cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Is it just me, or does that sound terrifying? Don't allow your oral care slide, and make it a priority. What methods do you use to maintain your teeth's health? Leave a comment and fill us in on your methods. If you want your friends to learn how to protect their teeth, show them this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.